Should you rework your REST API application to use GraphQL? Hi, I'm Alex, the architect from Back4App, and this is Talking to the Architect. And a lot of people ask me, should I rework my REST API application to use GraphQL? And that actually depends. Is your application misbehaving or having any kind of bad impacts by using REST API? Do you have huge payloads and your data transfer costs are rising as your number of users grow? GraphQL comes into play to solve these kinds of problems because it forces the developer to specify which data they want to retrieve, and this solves one of the biggest problems of REST API, which is overfetching. Overfetching is when you bring data to the front end and do not consume it at all. So when you force the developer to specify the data they want to consume, you end up reducing the size of the payload retrieved from the front end, and that can reduce hugely the cost on data transfer. So if your application has these kinds of problems, it might be worth to implement GraphQL. And here in Back4App you don't have to worry about it because every class that you create in your database are already covered for both REST API and GraphQL. So you can change up your application on the front end to consume one and other, and there is no worries about the backend. I'll leave a link for a blog post in the description of this video that you can follow, and there are a few more tips and hints in there, so you can decide by yourself if it makes sense for you to rewrite your application front end to consume GraphQL instead of REST API. So I hope this content was useful to you. If it was, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. So I hope this was useful to you and I hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.